So in this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can get this Duplicator Pro WordPress plugin in just $3 with lifetime update. So I'm gonna purchase it and I will install it in my website. So click on this buy now. You have to go to the payment. Now you see this. After the payment will be done, you will get this plugin file. Done. Now you have to activate this plugin. Upload plugin. Choose file. Install now. Activate plugin. Now you see this. Done. Work here. So hopefully this video is helpful for you. If this is, give it a like and please subscribe my channel.